Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can post your in-game video clips from a Metal TV on your profile inside your Metal TV account. So let us guide you through this, guys. So make sure that you have recorded these video clips using the shortcuts F8, for example, for up to 30 seconds long video clips, and Alt F7 while being in the given game and while having Metal TV running in the background. Then guys, once the video clip has been recorded, navigate to your library. Select the given video clip. I will go with this one here, for example. Click into these three dots here and select Post to Profile from that drop-down menu. And then you will see, for example, this overview here, right? So you may click into Post here to post it. You may also go with these settings here, set it to public or to unlisted. Select the quality and the FPS rate. And that's basically it, guys. Let me just mute the sound for copyright reasons. So click into post here, continue to post, and wait for the upload process to be finished. And then you will see your video clip here posted on your profile. And that's it, guys. So if you navigate to your profile, then your friends will then see the video clips you have added to your profile. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.